Today's going to be more of a challenge for me. I'm going to try catch a flathead on a surface lure today. It's going to be a great day regardless of what happens. So this is basically what's left of winter at the moment. It is really nice. I actually don't have a GoPro today, so what I'm doing is I've got my big boy camera, just hanging it off with a strap. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. Alright, I got some good news. I've just found a big flathead with the drone, and it was actually proper buried when I spotted it. Yeah, I know it seems like I'm spending a lot of time in the trees at the moment, but I'm just hanging my backpack and stuff in the trees, that's why. So let's go see if we can get some casts in on this flatty. We'll just be walking over now, getting in casting zone of this flatty. So we're at 30% with the drone. Right, here we go. First cast. Gotta land this drone. All right, we're going handheld mode. Let's go have a look at see how big she is. I can see her. I can actually see her. So she knew I was there. When they know you're there, they're not gonna eat. Second thing is, holy moly, I need another drone battery, but it's all right. I remember where she is. I'm going back. I'm gonna have some more casts. All right, we're heading back into position. So I'm going to chuck around an unweighted prawn lure, smothered in scent. It's a hidden hook. Well, she was right here. That's her lay, right there. She, not as big as I thought, so that doesn't make me feel too bad. But she wouldn't have gone far, she'd just be in here. But I think that definitely was all down to the fact that she knew I was here, and that's why she wasn't eating. Actually, she's right in front of me. I can see her. So that lay I was looking at was a different one. All right, this lure is about to go right on her head. Not quite, the current got it a bit, but I can see her. But yeah, if I want this to work, I'm gonna have to get it right smack bang on her head. That was close, that time. No, she's swimming away. She's swimming away. Yeah, she definitely knew I was there that whole time. Bugger. So I spotted an old lay and thought it was her. If I was more quiet, she probably would have taken it. That's her there. I got bamboozled. I swear this video is just going to be full of tree updates. Yeah. I saw that flathead lay exactly the same spot. I thought it was her. I thought she had left. I continued on my merry way, not realizing that she was actually still right there in front of me, and I got too close. She saw me. If you can see them, they can see you. She wasn't going to take, so. We're going to get into a bit of glidey boy action now. I put a big fat single hook on there too. Oh no. Just scared a big girl. Oh, by golly, look at the size of this lay. There's a big flathead. That's the one we scared before. Oh dear. And then this is the other one. This is a different fish. They're not the same size lays. I think it's a big flatty following it. Yep, there is. There is a monster flatty having a look. It is a huge flathead. Yep. Still there. Ah, she saw me. Just chucking on this prawny, clone prawn. Scented up, 1/6 jig head. Haven't caught anything yet today, so I'm just going to be fishing small just to see if there's anything around that I can catch. That'd be nice. Oh, hello. Ah, brim. There's a nice brim too. Behave. Oh, obviously it's that time in the season, I guess. It is now the afternoon. I was just thinking to myself earlier, when the tide comes in this afternoon, that's going to bring in some really, really warm water. It's going to be like a hit of caffeine to them almost. Have a go at this flatty mark. Nice big one. Got another one here and another one in the water there and another one over here. So it's safe to say this is Flatty Haven. Good news, everybody. The wind has lowered a little bit, so that means we can get the drone up. Pretty little stingray. I think they're called lagoon rays. They're probably the ones you don't want to get stung by, but they look cool. Well, I was definitely right about the incoming tide. It is certainly warm. It is incredible. Well, that's it for today's fishing. It was a great day. Didn't catch a whole lot, but make sure you like and subscribe. I'll help you out. It's right here. Make sure you hit that. You got any games on that phone?